Thinking about buying a car battery charger but not sure which one to pick? The market is full of options. Some say high performance is best, others highlight affordability, and some insist extra features are a must. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed customer reviews and ratings to bring you the top 5 best car battery chargers. Perfect for 2026 Moto Core. Don't skip ahead. Watch till the end to find out which one is the right fit for you. Item number 5. This smart 12-volt and 24-volt battery charger is designed for cars, motorcycles, and trucks, delivering reliable and efficient charging performance. With a rated power of 130 W and universal input support from 100 to 240 volts, it works smoothly in various environments. It supports AGM and lead-acid batteries while featuring advanced repair functionality to restore battery health. The charger ensures safe operation with stable voltage output, making it perfect for regular maintenance, fast charging, and extending the overall lifespan of your vehicle battery. Item number 4. This newest smart battery charger supports both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, making it ideal for cars and motorcycles. It delivers up to 15 amps for 12-volt and 8 amps for 24-volt, ensuring fast and efficient charging. Designed for lead-acid, AGM, and gel batteries, it covers a wide capacity range from 2 amps to 200 amps. The advanced pulse repair function helps restore battery performance, while overcharge protection ensures safety. With a large display and automatic voltage compensation, it provides reliable charging in varying temperature conditions. Item number 3. This high-power smart battery charger supports both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, and trucks. With strong output up to 25 amps for 12-volt and 15 amps for 24-volt, it ensures fast and efficient charging. It works with multiple battery types, including GEL, AGM, WET, and Life PO4, covering a wide capacity range from 6 Ah to 400 Ah. The built-in pulse repair and booster function helps revive low batteries, while safety certifications ensure reliable and secure performance. Item number 2. This compact 12-volt intelligent battery charger is perfect for cars and motorcycles, offering reliable and efficient charging for lead-acid batteries. With a 6-amp output and built-in repair function, it helps restore battery performance and extend lifespan. The clear LCD display provides real-time charging status for easy monitoring. Lightweight and portable at just 0.5 kg, its durable design ensures convenience and long-term use, making it an ideal solution for everyday battery maintenance and safe charging needs. Item number 1. This fully automatic 12-volt and 24-volt battery charger is designed for efficient and safe charging of AGM, GEL, and WET lead-acid batteries. Featuring a smart 7-segment display, it provides clear charging status and easy monitoring. The built-in pulse repair function helps improve battery performance and extend lifespan. With a compact yet durable design and weight under 1 kilogram, it's ideal for regular use. This charger ensures stable, reliable operation, making it perfect for maintaining car and motorcycle batteries.